Good morning, guys. So it is a new day, still cold this morning. The city is moving their snow. They haul all their snow to this vacant lot, pile it up as high as they can. Slow down for the tracks, they're getting really rough. The snow's getting deep on them. But we need to get that tractor started today and get it on the snowblower. But I do have a fan out at the other farm on a grain bin that I could not get started. So I bought some new fuses last night when I got back into town, and we're gonna go check those out, see if we can get that fan running and go from there. It does also have some snow in the fan, so I don't know, I might have to remove the screen and try and get that snow out of there, but we'll see how it goes. But I'd like to get that fan running and take advantage of some of this cold air and run that cold air through that grain and get that bin cooled down even more than what it already is. So we'll check back in out there. First thing we'll do is go shut this loud fan off. That's been running for long enough, and I will put the cover back on so it doesn't get snow in it. So that bin should be in good shape. The dryer bin's a lot smaller and it's got two fans on it. I shut that off last night. It's definitely had a lot or plenty of cold air going through that. Over here is two bean bins, and they've got really small fans on them. That one over there is really small, so I left that one run. It's not a huge bin, but I thought I better let that run a little bit longer. I may still let that run. This is the one I can't get going. I think the fuses are bad, but it's full of snow too, so I need to get that snow out of there and try and get this one going. So that's the project for right now. There's the breaker for it, or the breaker box, fuse box. Looks inviting. So yeah, we'll work on that. So of course I forgot the tester. Okay, so take two. I got my tester now. So a lot of your newer systems have breakers instead of fuses, but this is some older stuff here. Not sure if you know how fuses work, but you can hear that. Maybe hear that beeping, I don't know. But if you've got continuity, then it should beep when you touch each end of the fuse. And it's beeping. So it's still about 20 below wind chill. I've got the power off to this panel, and we will pull fuses out and check them. I may just put 3 new ones in and be done with it. Nothing. So that fuse is bad. Okay, that one's good. So we'll put a new one in to replace, and my fingers are about done for already. Okay, so get my gloves back on. So we had one bad fuse in there. Shut my tester back off. Not sure about this snow in here. Oh, I think that little guy froze. His eyes are still open. He got a little cold. I don't know if he'll thaw back out and be okay or not, but he doesn't really look okay right now. We'll put him right down here. Maybe he'll warm up later. I need to get some of that dug out of there. So the extra fuses we'll put in the shack over here that has the controls for the dryer, so we have them for next time. This is the only farm that we're still using fuses on. I'm trying to let my hands warm up a little bit. Hopefully I can get this done before my camera freezes up on me. Let's see what size wrench we got. At least the wrenches are warm. I'm gonna guess 1/2 inch. And I guess strong. Good thing I brought the 7/16. Wait a minute. 1/2 inch. Yes, it is 1/2 inch. Okay. Sorry, brain fog or something. Maybe I'm cold. I don't know. I was gonna bring my impact to do this, and I forgot it, of course. So this is gonna take longer than it would have. I prefer not to touch that cold metal with my fingers. It is gonna warm up today, but right now it's still below 0 and wind chill's well below 0. Clean off a place here that I can put the screws, so hopefully I don't lose them. I may have to stop and warm up fingers before I continue this, but we definitely got to get this snow out of here. Don't think we want to try and start that fan with all that snow in there. Okay, I am not sure how much of that you got. The camera froze up. Whether it's camera or battery or what, I don't know, but it's cold out there, so these cameras don't like it. So we'll see. If you didn't get the whole story, I'll voice over and fill it in here. But that fan is running on that other bean bin. Just talked to Dad on the radio, and in past I had talked about those dampeners on the fans where air could go out the other one. So the northeast corn bin at the home farm, we had 2 fans running. He went to shut it off last night, and one of the fans had shut off, or the breaker had kicked, and those are new breakers on both those fans. Didn't have a problem with them all fall after we replaced the breakers, but the south fan without the dampener had kicked out. So therefore, the north fan kept running, and it just blew the air out the other fan. So that fan was running, and the air was not going through the corn. It was just going right out the other fan. So we need to look into that. We need to probably put dampeners on every fan when there's a double fan on a bin, just for that reason. If a breaker kicks, at least your air still from the one fan is going to go up through the corn. You only have half as much air, but it's still going to go up through the corn and not through the fan that just died. So hopefully that all makes sense, but anyway, just more cold weather issues. Now I need to run over to Austin's grandma's house, or Amy's mother's house, where the trailer is, and get me a chain binder for that dozer blade, or whatever, that snow dozer they call it, that we were using yesterday. Anyway, gotta go find a chain binder. All right, plan B. The door on the shed was frozen, couldn't get in. Doesn't look like anybody'd been using that door, so they must have a door opener for the big roll-up door, which I don't have, so I guess I won't be getting in that shed. So anyway, we'll not worry about the chain binder right now. Off to the farm. All right, so at the farm, scoop some snow by hand in front of the shop. Just kind of I worked all day moving snow here and in front of the house and for the neighbors, but just give you a little perspective on what's left. There's still a lot of snow left. Big old drift there. Need to get to the semis. I'll hit that with the blower and try and get a lot of that blown out of here. But right now we'll go in and see if that tractor's wanting to start today. Hopefully we can get in the shed. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here and let you know that our channel has finally become monetized with YouTube. So what that means is that now you'll be seeing ads in our videos and we can start making money from the videos, which is a good thing. So to be monetized, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of views in the last 365 days. So I think our General Mills retirement video put us over that for the year, and we're now getting roughly 500 to 600 hours of views a month. So that's great. The channel's growing, but I just wanted to hop in here and thank you all for watching our videos, because that's how we got monetized, is the hours of views that got us over the 4,000. So, but now that we're monetized, all the videos that you watched previously, we didn't get paid. So if you would like to go back and watch old videos, that would be awesome, and we would then get paid for you watching them. What could be better? Just kidding around, but just want to let you guys know that we appreciate you watching the channel, and like, subscribe, comment, all of that brings our videos up to the top, and it gets put in front of more people. So thanks. That drift is all of 6 foot tall. Down here it's not that tall, but you still got 5 foot there. There's a lot of snow there, so we definitely need the snow blower going. Hey, the door works today. Lights. Tractor should be warm. Battery should be charged. We will see if it's gonna start for us today. Turn the key on, let it think about it for a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. There it is. All right. Now we just got to get the memory device not detected. I think I took that out and put it in the combine to transfer some shape files to the combine. Oh yeah. It's not happy. It's telling me it's too cold out here. It is definitely not happy. So anyway, full of fuel. We did treat this one with Howe's diesel fuel treatment before we put it away. So shouldn't have any fuel issues. We'll see if we can get other stuff. The snow moved. We've got snow in front of the door, not too bad. I just got to scoop that out. Okay, so in that time lapse, cleaning out the snow in front of the door, I think the camera died again. It's been a real struggle with cameras in this cold weather, but we got the door open. I wonder if that little tractor wants to start now. We'll see. I got batteries charging in here. We'll see what we can get done, but I got to move that little tractor before I can go too far. And I got cords and everything here in the way. So we will get that undone. These old cords that are not rated for super cold temperatures are a pain. Yesterday when I was moving that cord around, the coating or the casing or whatever on it just kept cracking. It was so cold. So I went to the farm store and bought a new 35-foot cord rated for 40 below zero Fahrenheit. We'll see, but obviously you can see we got some old cords over here in this shed that need to be replaced. So that one was on sale for 20 bucks, so I probably should have got two, but we got one. So we'll see if we can get stuff going here. All right. Yeah. This thing wants nothing to do with starting, so I guess I'll have to pull the charger over here. I guess first I better figure out if this is 6 volt or 12 volt. My guess is it's only 6. All right, so we're gonna pull the duals off this tractor. And you see we got a turn signal light, that bar, that arm that comes out here that's kind of in the way for lifting. So we're going to move that up and out of the way. Pretty simple. Ugh, pretty simple, I say. Yeah, they just pivot up out of the way. So there's that. Never stand on top of a ladder. The next job, put a chain through here. That way we can use the forklift to lift this tire off of here. Should have left my ladder over here. There. And that will go through the fork on the forklift. I'll get my ladder back over here. Okay, now I just need to find the right socket and an impact, and we'll get that wheel pulled off there. All right, I'm gonna put some tension on that chain. Okay. All right, so try not to hit the door at the top of the forklift. All right, gonna get this out of here. See if I can get over there in the hard packed snow. We'll see. I may get stuck, who knows? Wouldn't be the first time. Oh, I think we made it. I think we made it. All right. Can we get the door opened up? Here we're going. Got another set of duals there already. Uh-oh, there we go. Turn around, tire. Just like that. Almost like I kind of knew what I was doing, but not quite. That was fun. One down. Actually, while I got this out here, I don't know if we can move this lawnmower or not. It does not want to start at all. All right, don't try this at home. It is way too cold for this thing to start. I may just take it. I'd like to get over there off to the side. We'll see. Might have to go clear to the back based on the angle, the direction I need to go here. Hey, we finally get to the snowblower. Maybe by the end of day 2, we'll actually have this thing hooked up. So it did blow a little bit out here, but this isn't too bad. All right, so the snowblower, as you can see,